Okay, you hot shotters and diesel owners, why are you running an air filter without running a FASS EGR filter? What I'm talking about, you have a filter on your truck to keep big bugs, gravel, and fine dirt out, right?
Dust.
Yep. Okay, the EGR system is behind that cold air intake, behind that stock filter, is putting dust / soot in your engine. Okay? And it's clogging your coolers, it's clogging the valving, it's washing your cylinder where you get more blow by, and it goes into oil where you get more bearing wear, right? Tell me about your EGR filter.
So the EGR filter removes 85% of the particulate matter that would normally be in the EGR stream. That's going to extend the life of all the EGR components along with the life of the engine, where 85% less abrasive material is being pumped into the engine behind the air filter. So the reduction in oil, soot in your oil.
Spencer's an engineer. I'm going to tell you what it does for you, okay? To get to this point, 120,000 miles was on this truck. To get to this point with the EGR filter, you get to go 720,000 miles. That's what 85% means. So let's put it in what they understand. 720, that's 3/4 million miles you get to drive that truck. You're not going to keep it 3/4 million miles. You might keep it 200, 250, 300. But you know what? That truck's going to be worth a little bit more money when you say, hey, you know what? You're not going to have to replace that EGR cooler for another 300,000 miles or whatever is left. That's what it means to you. And it means that you can go on your vacations and drive further and not quite have to worry about this. Go to FASSEGRsolutions.com.